Ever since pandemic hit the country, I have to protect myself, my family. Mga nakakausap ko, nakakasalamuha ko every day, I still have to protect them. I'm Dr. Grace Francisco Torres from Malabon. Every day, yung meetings ko, pinakamahina talaga, 3. Tawag na nila sa akin, Miss Meeting. Yung mga NGO, volunteer organization that I belong to, I also have to tend to my business. Aside from that, I'm still a mother and a grandmother. I'm still attending to my children's needs, to my apo, nagluluto ako sa bahay. Maintaining a good health is very crucial to my everyday activities and of course to my overall health and well-being. Every day, Viramed lang katapat. I actually believe in this product. Ever since pandemic hit the country, ito na talaga yung iniinom namin, the whole family. If I protect myself, then they are also protected. I still really believe in this product because talagang makakatulong talaga to sa immune system. So for those who are interested, please visit nanohealthshop.com to learn more about the product and on how to earn a living. Viramed, the only defense you need.